Advocate Jai Anant Dehadrai has withdrawn his defamation case against TMC leader Mahua Moitra in the Delhi High Court. Dehadrai had sued Moitra for making defamatory statements against him and gave interviews alleging he is jobless and jilted. The 2 crore defamation suit had also sought orders against media organizations to take down the defamatory content against him. And remember, just a few months ago, this entire thing between Jai Anant Dehadrai and Mahua Moitra is something that had, after a bunch of ripple effects, had led to the fact that Mahua Moitra was expelled from the Lok Sabha, no longer in MP. She is contesting in the elections, and she is remaining within the party as a TMC leader. But Dehadrai and Mahua Moitra had in the last few months also been in the public eye for a battle over their dog, Henry. And that is something that had garnered a lot of public attention, considering the statements that were made by both the lawyer and political leader in courts and to agencies about the matters between them. But in a development here, we're now seeing that the advocate has withdrawn his defamation case against the TMC leader. What the reason is, we're going to have to connect with our colleague for more on that. But remember, he had actually sued Mahua Moitra for making defamatory statements against him. And when it comes to those defamatory statements that we were just talking about, when it comes to what the leaders had said about each other in interviews as well, one thing that he had alleged is that Mahua Moitra had said that he was jobless and jilted. Now, my colleague Akanksha joins us on the broadcast for more on this. Akanksha, why are we seeing a U-turn here? Why has he withdrawn the defamation case?
Well, as a peace offering today, lawyer Jai Anant Dehadrai withdrew his defamation lawsuit filed against TMC leader Mahua Moitra from the Delhi High Court. Remember, last year he had accused of taking bribes from businessman Darshan Hiranandani to ask questions in Parliament, and all this led to her expulsion from Lok Sabha. Following that, social media war of words erupted between Dehadrai and Moitra, and that resulted in 2 major legal fights. Firstly, Mahua filed a defamation case against him, and then he filed a defamation case against her for making defamatory statements. As you also mentioned, she allegedly called him jobless and jilted lover, and in fact, he had sought a direction from court to ask Mahua Moitra to pay damages to the tune of ₹2 crore. But today in the court, Dehadrai's counsel told the court that he wishes to withdraw the suit as an unconditional peace offering. And he said, and after that, the court also agreed, stating that judicial time is best not spent on such a dispute. And after that, the petition was in fact dismissed as withdrawn. And now the reason behind why he in fact decided to withdraw it is still not clear. In the court hearing today, directly the counsel for Dehadrai told the court that he wishes to withdraw the petition.